fathers, teachers, hello, sisters, and all the parents who are present here, wishing you all a very happy 78th Independence Day of our country. It's a pleasure to be here to celebrate Independence Day with you all. I submit my joyous feelings for our nation and for all great leaders, our heroes who are sacrificed their life for building this beautiful country, nation. So my dear children, today I want to share my joyous feelings in the occasion of 78th Independence Day, which is all and each every corner of our country celebrating today, and also celebrating out of country who are citizens of this country, India. তিনি 15 August 1947 ni salo sini o India British শাসন ni hoite jeng mukti manu jeng independence manu gobang ma Indiani great leaders, netas, maharajas, maharanis, borong ni sacrifice, borong ni three kosogai, o India hano 200 বছর ইংরেজি শাসন ni mukti dithani, borong ni sei অবদান jeng tini moito khalanango. Maharani Lakshmi Bai boleh Malia Golobu both ini Inggris ni birutte coba kaya Birsa Munda